We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda D. So welcome from Miss Brenda D and our family.
Hello everyone, how y'all doing on this nice beautiful day? Today we're making another celebrity recipe. I'm going to show y'all how to make perfect buttermilk pancakes, y'all. Yes, and here are our ingredients. We're going to start off by adding some of our flour to my sifter bowl. And now I'm going to add the rest of my dry ingredients. And then I'm going to add the remainder of my flour. Now I'm sifting my dry ingredients into my bowl. Here we're combining our wet ingredients. Here I'm adding my egg, my buttermilk, and my melted butter. Now we're whisking all our wet ingredients together. Here I'm adding my dry ingredients into my wet ingredients. Here, I'm gently combining the two. Keep stirring until your batter is well mixed, but not over mixed. It's okay if you still have a few lumps in your batter. This is how your batter should look. Here I'm spraying my grill down with some cooking spray. But our celebrity, he did use some butter. Now we're making our pancakes. I did end up putting my pancakes too close together, but they still turned out great. Here I'm adding some blueberries, which is optional. If you don't want the blueberries, you do not have to add them. If your pancakes do run together, it's okay. Just use your spatula and just move them over. As y'all can see, my pancakes have puffed up, and you check before you flip them over to make sure they're at the brownness that you're looking for. I did check mine, and they're perfect. Since we have flipped them over, make sure your bottom is ready. As y'all can see underneath there, my bottom isn't ready. So I'm going to let these continue to cook. Here I'm checking my pancakes again, and that's the color that I'm looking for. Now I'm ready to plate them up. Y'all, these are the perfect pancakes. Okay, y'all, here they are. I've added some butter to mine. And now I'm going to add some good old Blue Ribbon syrup. I'm using some back in the day syrup, y'all. These pancakes are so delicious. Now I'm here to ask you, who is this celebrity that made these perfect pancakes? He is an American celebrity chef. He's a television personality and a cookbook author. He won the National Best Recipe Award for his turkey and hot sausage chili recipe in 2003. He is well known for his Cajun and Creole cooking. And the list goes on. Who is this celebrity chef? Now I'm going to give you the answer to the last trivia celebrity recipe. Who was that chef that made that delicious fried chicken? The answer is John Legend. Yes, John Legend. I hope y'all tried that recipe. I have got phone calls saying how delicious that fried chicken was. And y'all, I hope y'all try it and enjoy it. And y'all also tried these delicious pancakes. These are, y'all, the perfect pancakes, with or without the blueberries. I hope y'all try this recipe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And please don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can get my new and upcoming videos. I want to welcome all my new viewers and subscribers. I want to say I love you and welcome, welcome, welcome to my channel. As always, I'm going to say y'all have a blessed day and bye-bye for now.
We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda D. So welcome from Miss Brenda D and our family.
That's a hit!